cleanup drive this time sa Mount Ramalo naman. This is in Siniloan, Laguna. And it was fun. Most of those na nakasama namin is from the cleanup drive that we did sa Bataan. And nag-mangrove planting kami doon. And we visited some falls. This time naman on this overnight camping kami, and then kasama sa activity namin yung mga rappelling. It's a bit challenging for us yung some of the Ascend and Descend, like this one, yung Kiss the Wall na tinatawag, whereby sa rope and bamboos lang talaga nakasalalay. But it was fun kasi yun nga, you get to see some falls, hear some good stories, meet new people, see some animals along the way. That was fun. And then we get to taste some fruits like this one, magic fruits, and this one, pag kinain mo siya, everything that you taste, kahit maanghang or maasim like this dalandan or yung katmon na tinatawag, is matamis. Yun yung katmon. And of course, we have some buko for electrolyte. And it was fun. And ito yung rappelling down the New Buruwisan Falls. It was our first time. Then, first Mother Mountain ng mahal ko